guys, the girl Tanya back again with the next YouTube video. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, comment and share. Alright, look at me just wake. And me say me have to come video this river for I have to show you the river right now. So look here. So see the river there? Last night over it did yeah. Them tree that I saw that's like it's in right now the river take over the road too. The road it take over too. That's how big it come down. Take over some road. Alright. Now we'll go somewhere else go show you the side. Because we don't see it good here so. Alright, so guys, I'm left from where I walk up on the bridge. I don't know if I'm going to go. I'm afraid of the bridge, but I'm going to try video show. And Frankfield showing the bridge almost touch. The river almost touch Frankfield Bridge. Yeah. I'm not going to make this video too long either. The river look jack. See it? Zoom you.
Yeah, see it as same as that.
Bomb it. Alright, over here some yesterday. To the river there. Holy shit. Why am I afraid? See it?
I'm afraid of. Put this in over here.
See it there?
Oh
God. Oh God, I'm afraid. Let me see it there. Look there. Look up the river. You take over all that road.
Where I come from?
Take over all that road. See it there. Oh God. Bomb it! No, no, I'm gonna pray that. Why?
Turn up the street and let me see. Where I come from with the folks and see.
Up the road. See that? All that road it will take over. All that road from way up so. Near T Bridge. Very near. Don't gonna further I know. See that? Near T Bridge. I'm not in the joke, I forgot about this stuff. Okay. One big star. People come up on the river. Where is it? Spin wall. Which part today? See that, sir?
They about wall you. Carry up and carry
down. You see spin wall right there, sir? See there.
It's a bubble.
Bombay. A road there, Satina?
Yes, ma'am.
Whoa. I know over here, so. But how me have move phone in a water like that waterproof?
No,
Alright. That's enough. Alright. You see them part of the spot is sitting there down at the site in there. Right. So. Alright, you see where the stick there? The riverside from there, so to go over there, so practically everything over here side road. Everything over here side road. And river take over our life.
Out of brother bar be dangerous like.
You keep on the storage food. So I walk go down here, so to show you say you walk river take over this road here too. So see what's up on the road. And the road we didn't fix for the air. So I like to know how I go on. Because this look like just be a sun. Be a sun in. Be a sun. And inside. Good? I like this here. I'm right in Marlon to the same thing. See the road there. See where my shop? Bad. No, me gone down? No.
Head mackerel.
How are you going on? And then you set in there weird or long set in there. It's jar for two girl.
Last night you make me run from Mama.
So River come right that's the last night.
You don't get that? Link, you don't get it today?
So if you could have been last night, we would have shown last night. God no. Cut the road bad.
Head mackerel.
And I'm trying to see them fix the road. Good job. You see, alright. You see right to the tree there, sir? Right there, so the river come last night. Right there, sir. So call it say river drying back. Drying. Yeah, go down and go show and see like I must be some part from the road there. Must be somewhere from the road. It's drying too fast. It wall I said it cover river last night, people. Wall so when I walk on right now, everywhere you saw it cover. Water reach up, come up to your knee. When I say come up to your knee, it come up to your knee. See the river there? I go out in the water? Or gone? Wall I said it cover with water. Everywhere. Yes, so you have to climb up on this just to carry, and walk in the water. So, it's drying. Eh? Thank you. Me did on yourself. Blow out. Whoa, me a sink, no? Why? Look for my foot, people.
I panic, I panic, you know.
My foot a sink. Eh? Jamie, what me now? Thank you, me a sink.
You put that video?
Yes. Me foot a sink, people. Go on, Lisa. Foot sink. Look for my foot, them. Where? Which part? I see my spinning one like this. Yeah? They tell me I can't swim. Alright. That's another sink. Alright. Where's spinning one?
Over this hole. We over this hole.
Bombi, sit there.
Where then can go?
So,
No!
so one more spinning one. If you can see it.
We can't
See one more them over there, so. Bombi, star. All of you saw routine. Everywhere. Here, Linky.
Jump off, Lenky, jump
All
off.
of you saw road. All of you saw.
Lenky, tap in the sun, see?
Tap in the Linky. No, person go sink. Boy. Right, in my walk there. In my walk in there.
Come back, please.
Come back, Lenky. Come back. Come back. Boy, I'm going to sink. No, come here, sir. Go on, Lisa, if I go, me come. They know you saw sink up. Yeah. Come here, sing people. You're so tough now. Hold me now, Lenky. Ciao. Good day. We zoom it back down for you. Good day. Come beat, Sam. I like how this come so close to me. Good day. Boom beat! Why? Look here. Let me tell you something. You see down there, sir? A big stone with taller than me down there, sir. Down there, sir, a big stone. And you see how down there, sir, tan? Anybody jumping at this dead? Dead. Can stone and taller than me. And taller than this boy. So imagine, and it cover them. Alright. If you can see it, and this is some parts over there, so we lie down. You see there, so? The water did the up best up on the rock them. Way up on the rock, that's the water in the last night. Because the water run go straight up on the road last night, and when you go in there, it's your knee. That's for sure how high the water did there last night. See there? See the bank in them there? For sure you say. I'm not telling a lie. The water comes straight over your so. Come on. Whoa, but that's I think. I'm showing you so I'm not telling a lie. See the bank in them there? See the bank in there? That's how high the water come on the road last night. You know, catch up. That's so high. See it there. I not tell you no lie. See bank in there. Come straight up on the bank in them. And I road. Cover whole of the road. Me tell them say they're not in there. Alright, me ready. Lad. What? Oh. It's an vessel, so we know. Make it come on. Show one stone out there, so. What's your. What? Shut up in eyes, Ali. It's about shark. Shut up in eyes, Ali. It's about shark. Whoa, me can't come here. Wait. I say I go too much now. I'm not fear. Are you kidding? You stand like yourself.
Hey girl, take me out that video.
You're lucky you should have chat. Chong, I need catching the girl.
Me catching there.
Really, look at.
Mash up my slippers them. Booty slippers.
I mean, you don't know what take you out.
But me can't go up with you because I don't know what she don't want to say. I mean, I don't know risk with my life. So I do phone. And your foot hard to come out. Me now worry about my slippers. Me go up barefoot. Could the people barefoot me walk? Stick at them for hide them face because they don't want them face shown in the video, so they don't mind if I stick at them.
You know, some parts of the video not video good, so I'm sorry about that because I have a camera all about. So sorry about that.
No, don't get so. Can the road they mash up, God? No, sir. Look on the road we fix. I don't mean to talk about, could they? Look. Eh? Yeah, we up here, so. We are here, so. Let me see. I was trying to rent walk go up yesterday. Yeah, so. Yes, I rent walk. So I up here say water didn't come. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you 3 clips of Frankfield Bridge and the river, or everybody on the bridge and all the on the building them down there. I tell you, this arena now I'm going to show you them. Alright, look how close everybody to the bridge. Look how close to the bridge. But God, I know some in the compound this right now. Look how close to the pan them are building here. Look everybody on the building them. No sir.
Almost touch. Yeah, I mean, I'm mad again.
Guys, that was the end of this video. Hope you guys liked it. I can go back and catch so much rain. Yeah. Remember to like, comment and share. And don't forget to hit that post notification bell to be notified when I drop a bang at them. Yeah. Until next time, bye.